The global markets have been witnessing some amount of volatility. This is predominantly on the back of US Fed announcing they will slow down the bond buying program. This is on account of expected growth in the US economy and consequent inflation. The markets are definitely nervous, and as we call taper tantrum has started. Commodity prices have taken a major knock, and the global markets are a bit uncertain. Having said that, I think one needs to look at the growth and inflation in tandem. If the growth is coming and if the growth sustains, I think economy did not worry, and neither does the market. Maybe in a way, medium to long term, this is a very good signal for the markets that growth is real and there will be some inflation. We had seen this getting played out between 2003 and 2007 when there was inflation and growth, and coupled with these, the markets also went all-time highs. We have to also understand that there is enough and more liquidity in the system globally as well as in domestic markets in India. And this liquidity is here to stay. This is not going to disappear. This is going to stay for quite some time, and they will continue to go after assets like equities in emerging markets. While we need to be cautious about commodity prices and the commodity super cycle which was being talked about, there is fundamentally no fear or no concern about equities by and large in general. We have to be a little careful of the valuations at which we buy equities, but that's about it. If the growth is real, I think we need not worry about capital markets. Specifically on Indian markets, we believe that the strategy should be to continue to build your portfolio. As recommended earlier, this portfolio for long term should have certain amount of technology and pharma stocks. We have been bullish on large cap IT companies like Infosys, TCS, Wipro. We continue to remain bullish there. We also recommend buying into pharma companies selectively. US business of the pharma companies have been under pressure due to pricing issues. However, companies having global exposure or not completely skewed exposure towards US should do well going forward. We believe from a valuation point of view, Sun Pharma still looks good. We also like domestic focused pharma companies like Torrent Pharma. Overall, we believe there are enough and more opportunities of building portfolio even in the current scenario. There may be a bit of nervousness and correction in the near future based on US Fed statements at Jackson Hole next week. However, the medium to long term does look good and investors should not panic. Thank you.